Whether you're running a startup or preparing for finals, you eventually hit a hard ceiling. You only have so many hours in a day, and the sheer volume of manual tasks ends up crushing your output. Traditionally, breaking through that ceiling meant paying for help. You either hired specialized professionals or spent thousands of dollars a year on a bloated stack of software subscriptions. If you couldn't afford that, you were stuck in the grind, spending half your day summarizing dense PDFs, manually writing basic code, or trying to format a decent presentation. This suggests that the real barrier to scaling your work isn't a lack of talent, it is the friction of the process itself. By 2026, the landscape of AI has shifted. The most capable tools are no longer massive, expensive suites. They are free, highly specialized micro tools designed to handle specific bottlenecks. To prove how this works, we are going to build a project from scratch across 3 phases: research, execution, and polish, using a stack that costs exactly $0. This approach creates a workflow where the time between having an idea and seeing the finished result is cut from days to minutes. We start with research. Usually, the bottleneck is just absorbing the information, sitting through an hour-long lecture or parsing a 13-page textbook chapter before you can even begin. GPT bypasses manual reading. Feed it a PDF, and it instantly generates a structured summary and a detail-oriented mind map. For deeper exploration, MyLens lets you interact with that map, drilling down into any specific node to see nested subpoints and citations. This turns hours of passive information gathering into a few minutes of tactical understanding. You're ready to start building immediately. Phase 2 is execution, translating those insights into a product. But going from a thought to a clean prompt is often slowed down by human stumbles, pauses, and repetition. WhisperFlow handles that translation. It is a speech-to-text tool that understands human errors. It strips out your stutters and filler words in real time, delivering a refined, professional text prompt for the next AI in the chain. Those clean prompts then go into Opal, which builds functional web apps without you writing a line of code. You describe the logic, like a daily horoscope generator, and it creates the interface and a shareable link. To market it, Fably analyzes your site's brand DNA, the colors, logo, and theme, and automatically generates a full social media campaign of ready-to-post creative assets. The AI is now handling the translation between a raw concept and a functional digital reality, removing the technical skill gap. Finally, we reach phase 3, polish. This is where projects usually fail, because making something look and sound professional traditionally takes a huge amount of time. Napkin AI solves the visual hurdle. It reads your text and instantly generates professional infographics to match, replacing the hours you'd normally spend in manual design software. For content, Meta AI allows you to create high-resolution imagery and animated avatars that can deliver your script directly to the camera with perfect lip syncing. You can then use Sonato AI to generate commercial-grade music for the background. It creates original tracks that are copyright-free, making them safe for monetized channels. To refine the final messaging, Arena AI lets you test different models like Claude and GPT side by side. You give one prompt and compare both outputs for free to find the best possible tone. By combining these tools, a solo user can produce professional-grade assets that used to require a massive production budget. The final layer of this stack is Google AI Studio's real-time feature. Its share screen function allows the AI to watch your workspace in real time. As you move between research and design, it provides context-aware solutions for whatever is currently on your screen. This tool turns you into a conductor. You are managing a digital team that assists with every step of the process as it happens. By 2026, operational power is no longer determined by the size of your bank account. It is determined by how well you can chain these specialized free tools together. The playing field has leveled. A single individual with the right workflow is now an entire empire.